Have you ever stopped to think about the things you use every single day? Like, really think about them? Well, today, we're diving into the secret history of one of the most common gadgets in your kitchen, the microwave oven. And trust me, its story doesn't start in a kitchen, it starts on a battlefield.
So yeah, here's the big question. What on earth does a top secret weapon from World War II have to do with your movie night popcorn? It sounds absolutely nuts, right? But the answer is, well, it's everything. This is one of the craziest, most accidental invention stories you'll ever hear.
Okay, so let's set the scene. It's the 1940s, and World War II is raging. Scientists on the Allied side are working around the clock on some seriously top-secret stuff. Their main project? Developing brand-new radar technology that could spot enemy planes from super far away.
And the secret sauce for this radar tech was a little device called the magnetron. Just think of it like a high-tech tube that shoots out these invisible energy waves, which we call microwaves. Now, the military was using them for radar, but that little magnetron, it was hiding a delicious secret.
And this is where our hero comes into the picture. But he wasn't some famous scientist in a white lab coat. Nope. He was a curious inventor, a guy who just loved to take things apart and figure out how they worked.
His name was Percy Spencer, and he was an engineer for a company called Raytheon. And what's so cool about this guy is that he basically taught himself everything he knew. He was a natural genius with electronics and had this curiosity that you just couldn't stop. And that curiosity is what lit the fuse for this whole story.
And that curiosity led to one of the biggest oops moments in the history of inventions. It all went down in 1945, and it started with nothing more than a snack that Percy Spencer happened to have in his pocket. This right here is the moment that changed cooking forever.
So, the story goes like this. Percy's standing in front of a magnetron that's turned on, doing some tests on the radar equipment, and he notices something weird. He reaches into his pocket, and the chocolate bar he was saving for later, it was a completely melted, gooey mess.
Now, you or I would probably just be bummed about our ruined snack. But not Percy. His brain immediately started worrying. He figured it out almost instantly. The microwaves from the machine must have melted the chocolate. So, to test his theory, he grabbed some popcorn kernels, put them near the machine, and pop, pop, pop. They started exploding into fluffy popcorn all over the lab.
But he needed one last test to be sure. This time, an egg. He put it near the magnetron and, well, let's just say it worked a little too well. The inside of the egg got so hot so fast that it literally exploded everywhere. I mean, what a mess. But it was all the proof he needed. Microwaves could cook food, and they could cook it crazy fast.
After that incredible discovery, Raytheon went right to work building the very first microwave oven. But don't picture that little box you have at home. Oh no, the very first one was an absolute monster.
Okay, get ready for this. The first commercial microwave oven was called the Radarange, and it weighed 750 pounds. That's heavier than a vending machine. It was also almost 6 feet tall. You weren't just popping this thing on the kitchen counter, you were basically giving it its own bedroom.
And the price tag? A whopping $5,000. And that was back in 1947. Today, that would be like spending over $50,000 on a kitchen appliance. So yeah, at first, only places with a ton of cash could afford them, like huge restaurants, fancy hotels, and big ship.
I mean, just look at how far we've come. The original radar range was taller than most people, while today's microwaves just sit on your counter. It went from 750 pounds down to about 30. And the price? It dropped from being as expensive as a new car to less than a new video game. That is a serious glow-up.
So how do we get from that giant beast to the little box in your kitchen? Well, things started to shrink down. The first countertop model showed up in 1955, but it was still crazy expensive. It wasn't until the 1970s that the prices finally came down enough for regular families to buy one. And that's when the microwave boom really took off.
And that brings us all the way to today. That top-secret military tech, discovered by a super curious engineer with a melted chocolate bar, is now in almost every kitchen. It's like a hidden superpower that totally changed how we eat.
I mean, just think about its superpowers, right? First, it saves so much time. You can heat up leftovers in just a minute or two. Second, it makes cooking so easy that pretty much anyone can do it. And third, it brings us full circle back to that first test. It makes perfect popcorn every single time.
And this quote just nails it, doesn't it?
Percy Spencer wasn't even trying to invent a way to cook food. He just mixed what he knew about science with this amazing, childlike sense of wonder. He saw a melted chocolate bar and just had to ask, why did that happen?
So, the next time you're heating up a slice of pizza or popping a bag of popcorn, just take a second. And maybe, just maybe, you'll think about Percy Spencer and the gooey, melted chocolate bar in his pocket that accidentally changed the entire world.